Oh no, the same thing again. Movement is restricted, and you need a mechanic and new parts. You are wasting time and money because the system keeps failing due to the same defects. What if you could just turn off these components? OBDtune handheld module makes it possible. It allows you to program the van and switch to factory settings easily anywhere, just in few minutes. Deactivate the DEF, EGR, EKAS, and DPF systems to avoid problems with faulty sensors or valves and clogged filters in the future. Of course, it also reduces fuel consumption and improves engine performance. Don't worry, you won't break anything. We prepare tuning files especially for your vehicle. On our website, choose one of the 3 solutions and make your order now and save yourself from possible problems. We check your VIN, and our manager call you within the next few hours. Please stay available. The installation is very simple. Just plug the device into the OBD and wait for the download to complete, and you are ready to go. You can switch between the original and the modified software versions at any time as possible for your vehicle. OBDtune, fast and safe solution to problems for your vehicle.